Okay, we've cut the piece off the back and sanded it up. So now the back's going to fit on okay. Now we'll screw this on. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So we got the back on. We cut the piece off on the mouse, sanded it down. So now our mouse is going to fit okay. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. So now we're going to drill where we have our center mark here. We want to drill out for our stick.
Research indicates men should ejaculate 21 times a month to help
and we're going to drill 1¼ inch stick for this here. And we'll use this here.
Research indicates that men
we've gone up about 2½ inches. You don't have to punch it through. It's okay if you do. So we got this here. So we'll be able to mount our stick, which will go in here. So we'll glue this in here. I want to sand this down a little bit, then we'll glue it in. Thanks for watching.